This is the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan, with your morning hazardous weather briefing for Monday, July 8th of 2013. Well, we're still looking at thunderstorms over the next couple of days. First off, for all of northern Michigan, some scattered thunderstorms for today and possibly lingering into this evening across northeast lower. Now, with these particular thunderstorms, no severe weather is expected at this time. However, there could be some locally heavy rainfall for some. But now for tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night, and again for all of northern Michigan, numerous thunderstorms are expected. Now, a few of these storms may be severe along and south of M72 and northern lower. The primary threats will be damaging winds and large hail. Let's go first to the current weather map. Well, we still have high pressure that's across the southeast states and over the Atlantic. In the meantime, we do have an area of low pressure pushing through western Wisconsin, and a frontal boundary extends eastward from this low pressure and across the Straits region of the Great Lakes. That particular low pressure is going to move through our region today and by this evening for the most part, with a weak front still kind of lingering around here as we see tonight. Now, looking for Wednesday morning, they have another area of low pressure that's going to move through Ontario and another cold front that's going to drop through the region. This is going to be a more substantial cold front. And ahead of this particular feature, we are going to have some thunderstorm development for Tuesday afternoon and for Tuesday night. A few of these thunderstorms could be lingering into Wednesday morning. But again, the severe potential will be out ahead of this cold front, and that's mainly for Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday night. And then by Wednesday morning and into Thursday morning, we're going to have this high pressure kind of build into the Great Lakes region, and this is going to be hanging around for the upcoming weekend, and it's going to be some beautiful weather for northern Michigan. Now we have a few other graphics to show you over the next few slides here. First off, we have the 3-day precipitation forecast. This is going to be for Monday all the way through Wednesday, and we do see some fairly appreciable rainfall amounts, especially across northern lower Michigan, possibly reaching up to 2 inches of rainfall. And then as far as the severe weather outlook, here is the day one today. And this is really going to be through this evening with that first area of low pressure that's moving into the area. We're just in the green shaded area, which is general thunderstorm activity. The severe stuff is well out to our west. But by tomorrow, we do see that slight risk of severe weather does kind of creep into northern lower. And again, that's about M72 southward. And we do need some rainfall across the region. Starting out today, we're going to get that for most people. It's going to be warm and increasingly muggy out there today, too. Showers and, again, those scattered thunderstorms developing, but no severe weather with these particular cells. Now, clouds all over the place today and rain are going to keep our temperatures down from what their potential really is. Right now, we're looking at high temperatures generally in the upper half of the 70s and the lower 80s. Now, any sun out there today will allow these temperatures to climb into the 80s, but that's really not expected. And again, recapping all the hazards. First off, the scattered thunderstorms today, no severe weather. Locally heavy rainfall is possible. Tomorrow, numerous thunderstorms. And again, along and south of M72, look for maybe a few of these to get severe with damaging winds and large hail. Now, one other thing to pay attention to is skies are expected to clear tonight. We could have some locally dense fog developing, especially where those folks get decent amounts of rainfall. And that locally dense fog could last into tomorrow, Tuesday morning. Now, that'll wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast at around 5 o'clock this afternoon. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.